Never hang up without asking for the appointment. This is just kind of a rule of thumb in general. You never know what's going to happen. Okay, so what you're saying is you want another $5,000 off, and you want an extra $2,000 for your trade, and you want us to dealer trade for the vehicle that's not here. Okay, you know what? Why don't you come in? All right, I'll come in. I'm not saying to promise that to the people. What I'm saying is, even if they ask for something crazy and you can't do it, you tell them you can't do it. I'm not going to be able to do the dealer trade or the extra and all that stuff. You know that. Why don't you come down and let's see if we can work something out, though. You never want to hang up the phone without asking for the appointment. Ask every single time. You never know, you might just get it. And if you don't get the appointment, hopefully you have enough information where you've moved that deal forward, and then you could have a good conversation with a sales manager. Hey, I talked to such and such from last night. They said they'd buy a car. They just want this, this, and that. So when we're calling these people up, we either want the appointment or we want enough information to move the deal forward and have a good conversation with a sales manager.